Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what is continuous monitoring. Monitoring is very essential for the cybersecurity or in the field of security because it provide us the information. Yes, what is happening in our system, in our network. Okay, what type of traffic is traversing, whatever the security features we have implemented, the devices we placed, whether those are performing as per our expectation or the baseline we have set. And if any kind of attack is happening, whether we are getting the uh, uh, the information or any events are generated or some kind of alerts we are getting, yes, this is the attack is some kind of malicious information is coming, or our network is behaving abnormal. So monitoring it just provide us. It's depend upon how frequently we are doing or what type of traffic we need to continuously observe, or on the weekly basis or the monthly basis or the quarterly basis or the yearly basis. It's depend upon what type of traffic we want to observe and what kind of report we want to generate, so that it can help us to understand the current situation of our network, and if any improvement or the changes we required uh, in our existing system, that so that we can make the changes. And if upgradation is required on a specific part or on the company level, then definitely we can implement it. Okay, so uh, let's discuss what about the security we are going to in case of the continuous and ongoing. Okay. So if we are saying something, we need to continuously ongoing. So auditable event, if some kind of, for example, say we are having firewall or the IPS on our system, and they are on the front side of a network. For example, this side is internet, and when some data will pass through it, for example, we have placed here firewall or the IPS or IDS IPS or IDS, that intrusion prevention and intrusion detection system. And for example, here is our device router starts, and from that point is our internal side of our network. That is our side net. Okay. So we need to continuously observe or monitor what type of traffic is passing through our network, what is inside and what's outside, and what if we have set some rules, what kind of alert that our devices are generating, whether that's a false or true. Okay, so we need to continuously observe all these things. And whatever the components we are using, whatever the devices we are using, whatever the softwares we are using, we need, if we made some changes, definitely we need to update those our inventory list. And some in if some attack will happen, some incident will happen, we need to report it. What uh, uh, we can say action we will take. So we need to continuously update, yes, this is the attack we are received, or this kind of attack happen on our organization, we need to continue. Okay, and we need to also continuously find out the vulnerabilities, scan, so that we come to know is there any weakness in our system, or whatever the security feature we have implemented, whether those are performing well or not, or maybe some kind of a zero-day attack we are having in our network, or updates are available but we haven't updated uh, our devices. Okay, so just we need to find out what type of vulnerability exists on our network. Clearly. And on the weekly basis we can also monitor, on the monthly basis we can also uh, monitor uh, the uh, things or our devices or are the security features. So in weekly basis, what we can say, audit review or the reports, whatever continuously, for example, we are observing, and we fix on a particular day, say on a Friday or on a Monday, we will check our weekly report, what we have done, how many attacks we occur on our network, what feature we have implemented, is there, what vulnerability exists in our network during this week, okay, or what steps we took to stop those kind of attacks. And on a monthly basis, you can say vulnerability scan you can also perform on the monthly basis, okay. And the secure status monitoring, or the whatever the remediation flaw exist in your network, maybe you are not having the specific kind of service or the product or the device in your network, or you may be having not the proper highly skilled people, so that there are some flaws which you cannot remediate, or which flaws you can remediate. Just you need to observe each and everything. And the software or the whatever the info integrity, uh, for example, we are purchasing some software from a vendor, okay, okay, whether we received it, whatever they send to us, we need to check the integrity, okay. And the which devices or are the least used or the least functionality, we also need to observe all these, because sometime we have many devices in our organization which we are not using frequently, and we will not patch them properly, and that devices may have some vulnerabilities. So attackers will find out, yes, this is the devices which is vulnerable, and because that exists in our network, so that they can enter through it and can separate over the network and can damage to the different part of our network. So we can say monitoring, really it's very very important to understand the current situation of our network, and for the future it will help to upgrade or to make the changes in our security setup. Clear? And then you can follow me on the cybersecurity prism, so that you will get the notification for the next session, and share that video with your friends, so that they will able to understand the importance of monitoring, how we can like a monthly basis or the yearly basis or on the weekly basis, what we need to observe here. And in the next session I will discuss about take care when you share some info, what things you need to. Namaste, see you in the next session.